Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add grid lines on our camera on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and for your information, my Android phone is Samsung Galaxy phone, so maybe the step will be a little different with another brand of Android mobile phone. In the Samsung Galaxy phone, we just need to open up our camera application, and then we can go to the camera setting. As you can see guys, that the grid line hasn't been activated, so I'm going to show you how we can enable the grid line to help us make our photo more precision. So if we want to activate the grid lines feature, we can click on the setting icon. Okay, and here you just need to scroll down until you find the grid lines feature. Okay, you can simply click on this feature and then you can go back. And okay, as you can see that the grid lines have been added to this camera. Okay, and you will be able to use this grid line to make your photo looks more symmetric. Okay, I'm going to try to take a photo with this grid line. Okay, like this. And when you click on your video, the grid lines will appear as well. So you will be able to use this grid lines for your video or your photo. Even if you use the Pro feature, the grid line will also appear. Wait, and I'm just going to go to the Pro video as well. Okay, there is a grid line, and then I'm going to try to go to the slow motion. Okay, the grid line is still up here. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the portrait as well. Okay, and if you flip your camera, the grid line will still appear on your camera. Okay, that's so simple, right? You just need to go to the setting and then you can activate the grid line. But once again, this is for Samsung Galaxy phone guys, so maybe it will be a little different on another type of Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add grid lines to our camera in Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!